Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning we're going to talk about AuCountry's new Nose Strut Boot, or Nose Strut Fairing as you like. It replaces the Nose Strut Boot that we currently have, and the advantage of it is that you don't have to remove it before you remove the lower cowling. Let's talk a little bit more about this new product from Gary. He took a long time to get it approved. It's now pma'ed and available for you. So let's talk about it and have a little bit of fun with it. So stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So here's the new Nose Strut Fairing from Gary Vogt, and as you see, it bolts onto the bottom of the lower cowling, but the way it's constructed, you don't have to remove it when you go to take it off the airplane. And then you can go ahead and read all that Gary has to say about it in terms of shipping and price and how to pay for it. That's all on his website under the Team Grumman stuff, so take a look at it. So our customer wanted one, so we actually ordered it, and as you would expect with the Postal Service, one day on our front porch we got a package, and inside that package is the fiberglass nose fairing. Now these are off of Gary's website, and they show how it attaches to the bottom of the fairing. And again, you can remove the lower cowling without having to take off this fairing, so you don't have to mess with the strut and everything. The other advantage of it is that Gary has now shortened them so that when you take the lower cowling off, it will sit on the back edge like you're accustomed to. And then again, here's the last picture from Gary's website showing the fairing attached on the bottom. It's screwed together, and then once you install it, you don't have to worry about removing it or anything. And then we took it out of the box and we hung it up and we cleaned it and we got it prepped for painting. Now here you can compare the new fairing from Gary to the old fairing that came from Grumman-American and the retaining ring that held it in. So that one piece, which is much lighter, replaces the other two pieces. And then when you match it and paint it and put it on the airplane, it kind of becomes invisible almost immediately. Now here's a look at it in profile so that you can see how much shorter it is than the original boot and how long it is compared to the other one. And again, you don't need that retaining ring. And then like we said, once you paint it and put it on the airplane, it blends in fairly quickly and disguises itself so it's almost invisible to see. It is very well streamlined. It lets a lot more air out, and according to Gary's website, depending upon what page you read, you can save between 20 and 90 degrees on your cylinder head temperatures. You know, that's marketing, but then again, there's what you have. So that's what the new strut fairing looks like from AuCountry. Get one, install it on your airplane. It's a pma'ed product. Just make sure you get a good logbook entry. So that's the new strut fairing, and then here's some pictures I found the other day. Here's a picture of David Fletcher back in the early 90s. That's Glenda Miller riding with him in the Fletcher mobile. And then here's David Fletcher and his team at Cable, Wisconsin in 1992. That was the first year I made an AYA convention and got to meet David Fletcher, Ken Blackman, and our builder, all at the same location that year. It was a very nice thing. And then there was a picture of the boys from Fletcher at the old dairy farm just having some fun for the day. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all that information about Gary's new nose strut fairing useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And we thought we'd share our little MGM lion with you. Perfect. So we hope you enjoyed all of this. Thanks for watching.